Hi everybody, welcome to this braid hairstyle video. In this video I will show you different kind of way to style your beautiful braids. Now let's just get right into it. Let's start by my go-to style. I call it my go-to because this one is so simple. I feel like you guys already know about this one. I'm not bringing something new. With this one, you can spice it up, spice it down depending on your makeup, your outfit. So I'm not gonna talk too much about this one. Let's move on to the next one. The next hairstyle, something that you guys probably know about this too. It would be a high ponytail. The only thing that would change is that I would take some few braids and I'm going to tie it up around the elastic just to make it more, how can I say it? Make it more aesthetic. You would think that I tied my hair with some braids when actually no, I tied it with elastic. I just put it across some few braids in. I was feeling myself and I love the style. Very simple, not doing too much. Anyway, let's move on to the next hairstyle. The next hairstyle will still be a pony, but I'm just going to do a braid. I usually do this style when I go to the gym, when I don't want my hair to disturb me, because having a lot of braids sometimes can be very annoying. This style is usually when I don't want my braids to annoy me, but I still want to look presentable, still want to look cute, and just be adding a little touch of me, if I can say it like that. Now it's time to spice it up a little bit. Think we've been into the comfort zone. Let's get out of the comfort zone. We're about to do a swoop, so we're still going to leave it as a high pony, but we're just going to be adding a swoop. For girls who have a 5 head like me, babe, this style, I've been rocking this style in like every event. I feel like it's just giving clean girl look. And I also want to hide my 5 head. I feel like sometimes this 5 head just being doing too much. So it's also a way for me to cover a little bit. And like the high pony, I'm just going to wrap it all around the elastic, so I won't need to add another elastic. I'm just going to tie it around and it will hold. For this next hairstyle, we're still going to leave it like that, but we're just going to tie all of the hair around the elastic, so it's going to be giving a high bun with a swoop. That hairstyle is also just so cute, so cute. So if you think that you cannot wear braids in an event, or I don't know, a gala or something, girl, you are having all wrong. You just need to know how to style it. I'm telling you, if you find a good hairstyle, you can rock braids everywhere. For this next hairstyle, it's still going to be a high pony, but I'm just going to be tying the bottom of the braids. And I'm going to add another elastic to make a hold. So I'm just staking the bottom of the braid to add it to the middle part of my hair, and I'm going to tie that up with another elastic. You will see the final result. This style too, very beautiful, very clean. I feel it's giving luxury. It's giving, excuse me, who are you? Are you talking to me? Yeah, I feel like it's giving that simplicity. Yeah, I love that. The next hairstyle, I'm going to leave the hair down, but I will keep the swoop, and I'm going to tie the swoop with some hair in the back so the swoop will stay and it won't move.
12 a.m. in the morning, I still get for your colors. Don't do me like.
You will see in this video that I do a lot of hairstyle with the swoop, because like I told you earlier, I am in the team 5 head and I'm trying to cover this 5 head a little bit. For the next one, it will be a low bun, and of course I'm gonna do a swoop, but also a very nice look, very simple, very cute too. I hope you guys are saving this video to come back. So if you want to style your hair and you don't know how to style your hair, I really hope that this video will be helpful. And while styling your hair, make sure to not tie your hair too tight. You don't want to make a lot of pressure, a lot of tension into your natural hair, because it might cause breakage in the future, or you might not even see it grow as you would like. So try to be gentle when you do your hair. The next one, it's a trendy hairstyle. I've seen so many girls rocking this hairstyle. Very cute, half up, half down with 2 braids in the front. So pretty, a very nice hairstyle too. For adding something to the style, we're just gonna do a bun for the half up. And the last one, very similar to the first hairstyle, you're just going to add a clip. I've seen a lot of girls doing this with wig, but not a lot with braids actually. But it's super pretty too. It's giving. It's so cute. And yeah, I was feeling myself. Go girl, go girl, go girl. And guys, I lie, that was not the last one actually. This is the last one. So I just tightened the back, the first few braids from the front, and I'm still going to leave it down. That hairstyle too, it's very simple and very pretty. If you don't want your hair to come in front but you still want your hair down, I'll recommend this hairstyle. And here we come to the end of this video. I really hope you guys like it. If you have question, if you have anything, please let me know down below, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.